1.3 Grabbing the Genie's Offer. Here are graphs showing how the amount of money in the purses changes. Remember, purse A starts with $1,000 and grows by $200 each day. Purse B starts with 1 cent and doubles each day. Which graph shows the amount of money in purse A? Which graph shows the amount of money in purse B? Explain. So purse A was the one that started with a higher amount, but only went up by 200 each day. So I think that's got to be this red one. It started off being above the blue one, and then after a while, the other purse was better. So this has got to be purse A. And so purse B has got to be the other one. And again, it started off small, almost near zero, but then it was somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks, I think it was, where it shot up in front of per se. Points P and Q are labeled on the graph. Explain what they mean in terms of the genie's offer. Okay. So Q is right here. Q is that point on the red graph, and P is this point right here. So P is the point. Let's see. The point P is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when X is 9, it's hard to tell what the height was, but in the blue graph, when we were at 9 days, I think it was 512. And explain what that means. Well, P of 9 equals 5.12. This means after 9 days in purse B, there was $5.12. And then we have Q over here. That's at this point right here. That's when X is 5. And let's see, on the red graph, let's see, when we're on day 5, we had $2,000. So after 5 days, purse A had a lot of money, right? It had $2,000, a lot more than purse B. What are the coordinates of the vertical intercepts of for each graph? Explain how you know. The vertical intercepts is where it crosses the x and y axis. So let's see. If I look at the blue one here, that point was on day 0. The height on that day, how much money you had on the first day, on the 0th day, we had 1 cent. And on the other one, on day 0, we had $1,000. So yeah, you could also just say purse B started with 1 cent if you wanted to here. All right, when does purse B become a better choice than purse A? We could figure this out by looking at the graph. Purse B looks like it overtakes it. Let's see. This would be day 18. Day 19. So on day 19 is when we finally get the blue purse B to be a better deal than purse A. And I can see it very clearly in the graph because on day 18 it's less by a lot, but then it just makes it on day 19. And we'll verify that. Okay. When does purse B become a better choice? On day 19, the blue graph is above the red graph. And we could look at this. We'll look at day. Actually, we can go all the way back up to the top to find day 18 and 19. Did we keep them? Oh no. So day 19 for that option was 4,600. Let's just calculate using that formula that we had. So in the blue graph on day 19, remember we started off with 1 cent and we multiplied it by, and we kept doubling it every day. We doubled it 9 times, so it'd be 2 to the ninth, or excuse me, 19 times for the 19th day. So 0.01 multiplied by 2, 9 times. 512. Oh, 19. I knew I did the wrong. 1 cent times 2 to the 19th. So on 19 days, it was 5,242 and 88 cents. So this is day 19. If we go to day 19 in the red one, I bet it's gonna be small. Let's see, we started with $1,000 and we added $200 19 times. $4,800. And yeah, so on day 19, we had less money in the original purse A. Purse B overtook it. The day before, purse A would have been smaller. Excuse me, purse A would have been bigger the day before. On day 18, it was $200 less, so that's 4,600. And on day 2, we only multiplied by 2 18 times instead of 19. So if I divide it by 2, that'll just be one less. That'd be one day before. If I had this much on 19 days, the day before, just divide it by 2 to go backwards. $2,621. 44 cents. So on day 18, you could see that this was the better choice, purse A. But then on day 19, $5,000 is a lot better than $48,000, $4,800. Knowing what you know now, which one would you choose? This question, I guess, it's not so simple. I guess it's really your own decision. Likely, I would, almost definitely choose purse B because after 19 days, it's much more lucrative. It's got much more money. I'll say valuable. And purse A was nice, but after a while, it doesn't compare at all to the original purse. So, anyways, hope you liked it. We'll get some more practice in on Monday. All right, take care. Bye.